After achieving growth, our Fool has now achieved stability. This stability connects the Fours of the Minor Arcana to the Emperor of the Major Arcana. All is solid, rooted and established in the Fours. Four of Wands shows perfected work, prosperity, there is celebration, there could be a new home. The foundation is ready and now further can be built upon. The Four of Cups show that when pleasures are in excess, they can lead to being self-absorbed. Here, the stability is negative and is leading to stagnation. It is a card of going within, withdrawing affection from people around you and of contemplation. The Four of Swords, thankfully, brings a break from the negativity of the Swords suit. Here we see a rest from strife, so there is a healing peace. This is also a time of withdrawal. The Four of Pentacles signifies material security, earthly power, solid business foundations. Here the person is in control and may be controlling. This is also the Miser's card, wanting to possess and not share. Also blocking change is signified by the Four of Pentacles.